This is how to delete your search history in Google Maps. So let's get started. Currently, as you can see, all of this shows up in my search history, and if I want to remove this, here's how to do it. First, open Google Maps and click on your account's icon on the top right. Then here scroll down and you'll find this option, Your Data in Maps. So click on this. Then here scroll down and you'll see this option, Your Search Services History. And this is currently on. So if you want to delete it, scroll down and just click on Manage Your Search Services History. So it will take you to this page, and this is your search for all Google apps. As you can see, this includes Google Search, Google Flights, Google Translate, etc. So what you want to do is click on Maps. And now this is our search history only for Maps. And if you want to delete it, click on Delete, that's here. We have three options: Delete Today, Delete a Custom Range, or All Time. Select whichever option you want. Let's say I want to delete today. I'll click on it. And it's done. And as you can see, the history is for today. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.